need to investigate this man. This man, I'll prove it, that he has criminal activity in his background. A big-time criminal activity. I challenge the CIA and the FBI to go after him. So expose it to the American people of how crooked this man is. Evil, evil. You're not going to get away from me. I'm going to give you justice. Justice, punk. Justice for the American people. Shalom, donkey boy. That's right.
Return with us now to those thrilling days
You're not going to get away. We're going to put you in the jail. That's where you belong. Freeze, sucker! Put him up. Don't you move.
Here he is, Sheriff. Hello, Cavendish. Didn't think you'd catch him, partner. Now we got the whole dang bunch. You and your men are to be congratulated, Sheriff. Thanks. But if it hadn't been for you, we'd have gotten nowhere. I'll be with you in just a minute. I'll take care of this one personally. Come on. Easy, Silver.
Now, Cavendish can't catch a team without it. You take off, Matt?
I'm going to continue to wear the mask and keep my identity a secret.
For how long?
Our job has just begun. We have a lot of trails to follow.
That good.
Sheriff, before the lockup, do you mind telling me who the masked man is? Wouldn't mind at all, except that... Hey, where'd the masked man go? He and his Indian pal are going out to get the horses, Sheriff. Well, guess he isn't one to stick around for a party. Well, who is he? I don't rightly know his real name, but I've heard him called the Lone Ranger.